Hi brother, this is Shay. A different type of video from me today. I don't recommend blue pills or taking pills to be able to plaster over the cracks of performance anxiety or erection problems. It's important that we deal with it at the root, but at the same time, I'm also aware that many guys that I speak with or who watch the videos are taking different types of medication for performance anxiety and erection problems. So I understand that that's also something that can seem a far easier to get our hands on, far easier thing to get our hands on when we want something like this to get results quickly. We want to be able to feel normal or give pleasure to our partner. So I understand it. Now, when I speak with guys around this, there's a lot of questions of, well, I take these pills, but half of the time they don't work, or I don't really know how to take them properly, or can I mix it with this, or how should I? There's a lot of different questions about this. So I'm going to share two things in this video to help answer those questions around why you may be taking this medication and it's not working. First up is, I'm going to put in the comments a link to the most helpful video that I have found about this by Dr. Rina Malik. And I just want to say, first of all, I don't know Dr. Rina, I haven't met her before. We don't have any kind of affiliation, but I respect the work that she does, and her videos are clear and understandable. So I had some time searching through different types of videos and I found this one to be the most helpful. So in the link below, I'm going to drop that. It's a 5-minute video or so that she explains from a medical point of view why you may not be finding the results that you want to with types of medication and how to take it more effectively to get results. So that's the first thing. The second thing is then where I come in, which is if you don't feel like you want to depend on medication, or if there's underlying things that are going on, maybe that's a challenge in the relationship or mindset things that the pills can't really fix, and you also believe that you want to get this sorted for the long term and feel normal again without having to depend on pills, then I would like to invite you to what I call the Sexual Performance Anxiety Masterclass. This is something brand new that I'm putting on, and this is where I will share with you the tools and strategies that I have found most useful so that you can stay calm and present to be able to have great sex and avoid a lifelong erection problems, and definitely avoid having to default to pills that do or don't work. So if that sounds good to you, then below in the comments as well, I will leave the link to your invite for the Performance Anxiety Masterclass. Click on that link, it will take you straight to a page that will tell you more about the masterclass and where you can register your interest. So just to recap, in this video, there's two things that I'm sharing. Number one is the link to a video by Dr. Rina Malik, who explains, she's a urologist, she explains about the different strategies for taking medication and why it doesn't work when it doesn't work. And the second thing is your personal invite to the Performance Anxiety Masterclass so that you can get this sorted and feel normal again without having to depend on pills. So those are the two things in the comments below, and I will see you there.